For number 9, this one right here, we have sine and cosine in the same integral. And we talked about this a while back, that if we have sine and cosine, and one of them is raised to an exponent, that is generally going to be our u. So cosine is being squared, u is going to be cosine of x. So du would be derivative of cosine, negative sine of x, dx. So we need a negative inside and a negative outside. And that's going to give us our parts that we need for du, and then this is going to be our u. And of course we have to change our a and b as well. So we put pi over 3 in here. Cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. Put 0 in. Cosine of 0 is 1. So we're left, all of this stuff turns into du. So we're du usually put at the end. That means we're just going to be left with 1 on top, and then a u squared on the bottom. Yep, Elias?
I think all when you take the x derivative versus right.
Well, here we're taking the derivative. We're always, this is like du dx, only we're multiplying the dx to the other side, basically. So this is always the derivative. Integral sign tells us to do the antiderivative.
Okay.
So once we get it to a spot where we can do the antiderivative, that's when we do it. So here we can rewrite this as u to the negative second du. Now we have it in a spot where we can do the antiderivative, which means we're going to add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent. So we're dividing by negative 1. There's a negative out in front, so that makes it positive. So we end up with 1/2 to the negative 1 minus 1 to the negative 1, which would just give us 2 minus 1, which is 1.